Every time I touch anything, it falls today. Hey guys, it's been a while since we've done a daily. I wanted to do one because I looked over last night and saw what Alec was working on. And although it's kind of normal around here, it's really not. It's really cool to see an old bike kind of getting revitalized. And by that, I mean, we're taking a 1974 Norton Commando 850 and modernizing it a bit.
I am putting a starter conversion kit on it. So these bikes are a little notorious for being harder to kickstart. I didn't really have a problem with starting it, but that's usually how it goes.
But you're a pro.
Well, no, it's just, you know.
You start bikes every day for a living.
Yeah,
you
exactly.
start to get better at it.
Starting to get better at it. The gentleman who owns this bike, he's tired of kicking bikes over all the time.
This is a dry clutch, belt drive, and electric starter kit.
So the kit comes with the inner primary, which is the really, really pretty part. Well, everything's pretty on this thing, but this is where I think all the R&D came in that we're paying for. And I think this kit runs about $2,600. Now, considering what's in it and how good everything is, I think that's a pretty good price. It's a deal. It comes with a clutch basket. It comes with the front pulley. It comes with the gears for the starter and to start the bike for the front pulley. It comes with the outrigger plate. It comes with all the new stainless hardware for it. It comes with the belt. It does not come with the new rotor and stator. While everything's apart and while everything's getting redone, what's, a few $100 more to upgrade your charging system?
All right, well, I look forward to seeing the progress. All right, we're gonna go talk to some other people.
Bye.
All right, thank you. Hey, look, we got a new tire machine and a new balancer. We had a decent tire machine, right? I first started with the Nomar manual machine. Then we went to like a nicer Chinese power machine, and now we have a no-touch machine and an electronic balancer. And I'm really excited about that. It's not like that big of a deal, but to me it is. Over here in this workshop, we've got Krant here working on Revival Automotive. So I haven't really told people this. We haven't really announced it officially, but we're doing quite a bit more high-end automotive work. So this is a truck that a client and friend of ours had already had restored, but it was all restored to factory spec. So factory carburetor, factory engine, factory everything, even the colors. And of course, this client wanted some modern technology combined into their build. So we're upgrading the air conditioning. We upgraded the cooling system to a more modern radiator. We've installed this Edelbrock EFI, so multi-port fuel injection setup. You can see we've taken the time to paint it and make it look the vintage Chevrolet color. And the idea here is that we're going to try to hide all of this underneath the factory air filter and air cleaner kit. Similar to the Norton, taking modern technology and ultimately making the vehicle perform better, also be more reliable. And the combination of those two make the money and time worth it. I'm excited about this. You can see in the background over there, we're doing some upgrades to a Porsche 993, another Porsche 993. We've had quite a few of the air-cooled cars come through. Over here, just a little tease, is our latest motorcycle project. No, just kidding. This is the venerable, famous Toyota 2JZ GTE twin turbo Supra motor. We bought this at JDM out of Japan, and we're gonna put this in a very special concours level project. I can't wait to show you guys. It's just sitting here taunting me at this point. Just thought I'd share that with you. Let's go this way. Ooh, Gareth, your speakers are here. Okay, in here, there's a Ducati square case. This is a motorcycle, or at least it's gonna be. We started the design process. Most of it lives in CAD and in sketchbooks, but it's coming. We're building a motorcycle, another one. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Now's the time of video where most people ask for money or donations or whatever. I'm not gonna ask you for that. What I'm gonna say to you is, if you wanna see more videos and you wanna learn more of what we've learned, and you wanna see a deep dive into a lot of these topics, go to our website and buy something. We sell everything from motorcycle gear, helmets, motorcycle parts, specialized tools. We sell lots of things, and they've all taken us years to figure out what the best stuff is, and we figured it out. So go to revivalcycles.com. There's some really good stuff there. Everything from like kick-ass hand grips from Posh to Radiance LED lighting, and everything in between. We want to teach you what we know, but this stuff takes time and it takes real effort to make these videos and make them good for you guys. So go support us by helping yourself to the cool stuff you already need. And it helps us because we make a little bit of profit and then we can justify doing more videos. Thanks for your support.